Welcome back. Now, if you will be using Teachable payments in order to deliver your course, you can use the Teachable checkout. And because most people will determine whether they'll use the checkout, it's unpublished by default. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit this checkout page. Now, one of the things that you'll notice that you'll need to do before you can edit the checkout page is going to be to add a pricing plan. And even though that's next down the list in terms of your course settings, we're going to go ahead and add in a pricing plan. What you'll notice here is that we can't add in a checkout page until we have a pricing plan. So what we're going to do here, we're going to add a pricing plan. Now, the other thing that you're going to notice is that in a free course, your student or customer would not see the checkout page. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click Add Pricing Plan. And we're going to make this price a one-time purchase. We're going to add in the price, the name, and then description. Now, this price level will also give you parameters that you can edit. So we can give a user access for a specific period of time or until a specific date. So for example, if we were to give this group of students access for 30 days, we can write in the word 30. We can choose this for days. We can then add in a purchase plan. Our plan is then added. What we can then do is to go back to our pages area. Our page is still unpublished. We're then going to edit the page. What we're then going to do is we're going to be able then to add in our pricing plan. Now you'll notice you have some elements that are going to be optional on your checkout page. If you want to add in testimonials, you can do that, or you can skip them. You have other optional elements and you'll see them here. You can add in bullet points or you can leave them, and you can use a guarantee badge. Then what you're going to do is click View Page. If you want to view the page, you're going to copy your course URL checkout page. You're then going to open up an incognito browser, and you'll then see the checkout page that your student or customer is actually going to see. Now, once you are back at this page, you can publish the page as long as you are set up for Teachable payments. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.